So I'm an inch away. Okay, that worked. Oh my gosh. 80,000? Seriously? Hey everybody, Rick Tremor Outdoors. Today we're going to be doing an install of F-150 LEDs. It's the Cree LED rear dome light kit for the F-150 Tremor here, and looks like an awesome product. From what I've been reading about the reviews on the brightness changes, it's dramatic. Oftentimes dome lights are really dull, so looking forward to putting these in. They're going to go in on each side of the back seat, and let's get at it. One of the things I want to mention, do yourself a favor, if you're going to be doing any kind of interior installs, even for some of the other wiring, get yourself the install kit, because these little tools are worth their weight in gold when you're working around upholstery or tight areas, trying to get wires pushed through, trying to get things popped out. Well worth the money. Okay, and something that's important not to forget to do is we got to turn off our interior dome lights. There we go. It is off. Now we can go work on removing, replacing, and then resyncing our dome lights. All right, so before we get started here, you're going to say to me, Rick, it's super dark. How am I supposed to see what you're doing? That's by design. I want to test the dome light to see what the brightness is coming off of it before we put on any lights to show you what I'm actually doing here. So let's go within about an inch or so. And I'm holding it about an inch. And take a picture here. Okay, and then I'm going to show you. So it was showing about 3,100 or thereabouts for lux. Okay, and you can see it's pretty dim. Well, let's get this changed out. I'm going to fix my lighting. Give me one sec. Okay, so I'm going to go carefully, very carefully. You don't want to damage your headliner. Get just inside here. So there is some resistance to that. There is a definite spring clip in there that you've got to get to move. Now, I don't know about you guys and gals, but anytime I'm doing this kind of stuff with upholstery and whatever, it's nerve-wracking, you know? Like, I see these guys in the install shop at Creations, and they make it look like a cakewalk. And I guess over time you get used to doing it, but when it's your baby, you worry about every little mark. Because that spring clip, it does not like letting go. Oh, hang on. We're almost there. Got it. Okay. Take your time. It's not a rush, not a race. Okay, I can feel it's coming loose here. There we go. All right, we got it out. Let me bring you a little closer here. So, this is the little cuss that was giving me grief. And actually, I bent it. If you look at that, Good thing we're replacing this. This is the clip you've got to remove. Unplug it. So let's get on that. All right. There we go. Factory light is out. Let's get the F-150 LEDs one ready. So now we'll reconnect into the wiring harness. Click, make sure you got a good click on it. All right, that is connected. And we're gonna just tuck that wiring back up in and click. Done. That was easy. All right, so now that we have the passenger side done, we're gonna flip over, do the driver side, and then the only other thing to do is resync up the dome lights. So give me 1 second, we'll fly at that. Okay. Gee, that seems to be a good technique right there. It's like taking this tool, putting it in and rolling it over. Yeah, that's the bomb right there for getting it out. If you can roll that over. So, okay, now this is interesting because this wire seems to be really, really short. Holy crackers. Like, not nearly as long as the other one. Like, there's nothing that I can feel tucked up in there that is giving me any additional length. Wow. I guess Ford wants to save money on wire. Holy cow. That is short. That's okay. We got it though. All right, now we're going to take the F-150 LEDs and we'll click it on. Make sure you get a good click, a good connection. Now we can take that wire, we can stuff that back up in there. Make sure that your symbols look right and pop it up in there. Wow, that was easy. I don't think any install gets easier than that. That's beautiful. Let's go resync the dome lights and see how they are for functioning, and then we'll test the brightness. Okay, let's see here. That's got them back on. Wow, they're working in the back. Well, let's go take a look. Okay, I can tell you without testing anything, I thought I turned off my light for the filming, and I was like, why does it look like it's still on? This is incredibly bright comparatively. Holy smokes, let's get that tester open. All right, let's go about an inch away, and then I'm gonna do a screen capture. So I'm an inch away. Okay, that worked. Oh my gosh. 80,000? Seriously? There was the first one. And there's the second. Wow. But I can tell you right now though, folks, like when I say to you that this is like exponentially brighter in here, like it's amazing. Well done, F-150 LEDs. This is a fantastic little upgrade for interior lighting back here. Wow, to say that that was an instant dramatic change is an understatement. I'm so impressed at how much brighter it is inside the back of the cab. Makes it a lot easier at night, you know, when you're trying to see what you're doing back there if you're putting stuff in and out of the truck. Check them out, F150LEDs.com. Amazing products. The prices are reasonable for what you're getting. It's a great price when you look at the quality that goes into their products. I haven't been disappointed in anything they've had yet. So, and their service is amazing. All right, we will be doing some more installs coming up. We've got a few more little tricks coming in the next few days here. So we'll talk to you soon.